all of the news that's trickling through, Marico has come out with its Q4 update and demand trends holding firm and gradual improvement expected, in fact, going ahead as well. The company flagged West Asia tensions as a key monitorable while maintaining its FY26 growth trajectory going forward as well. Snehi joins in with all of the details. Stock up 2.8%, Snehi.
Absolutely, and the first FMCG staple company to come out with its Q4 update, that's Marico. Good set of updates coming in despite everything that's happening in the Middle Eastern region. They have flagged it off as a key monitorable, but they're saying they have seen steady demand sentiment, which is expected to gradually improve in the coming quarters as well. In terms of their Q3 update, they're saying consolidated revenue growth is in low 20s, which is in line with our estimate of 21%. FY26 aspiration of mid-20s revenue growth has already been achieved by the company, is what they have said in their update. What's really interesting is the underlying volume growth in the India business is this time around expected in high single digits. We're expecting this number to be between 6 and 7%, so high single digits. If this comes anywhere around 8 and 9% is going to be a big positive for Marico this time, and they're also expecting double-digit operational profit growth in Q4 with a sequential improvement in the overall growth as well. So this also looks very positive. Now let's come to their various businesses, various segments. First, for Parachute, pricing actions undertaken are expected to be passed on to consumers amid easing copra prices. The low single-digit volume growth is expected after normalizing for millage reductions. This is a very big positive for Parachute, a turnaround story at play, because for the last many quarters, volume growth in Parachute has either been flat or negative. This time too, we were expecting a -1% volume growth, but they're flagging off low single-digit positive volume growth, which looks very positive for Marico. Of course, copra prices falling has also been very beneficial, and Parachute is expected to see gradual pickup in volume growth over FY27 is what the company has said. So once again, very positive for Parachute. Coming to Saffola, high single-digit revenue growth is expected. We were estimating 6%, so slightly soft over there, driven by improvement in volume traction. For value-added hair oils, the growth is in 20s, which is in line with our estimates, and double-digit growth to be maintained over FY27 and the medium term. So value-added hair oils is one of their strong segments. This time, what has really surprised positively, other than Parachute, is the foods and premium personal care segment. Foods has delivered high teen value growth. We were estimating only 5%, and they're talking about high teens value growth, which is a very big positive for foods, and premium personal care is also growing more than expected. Very quickly, international biz, the constant currency growth is in high teens, in line with our estimates, and all markets barring the Gulf have done well. So lastly, they sum up this Q4 update by saying that copra prices have corrected 35% from their peak. This is going to be beneficial for the gross margin going ahead. They will exercise pricing power to alleviate the impact that we're seeing for vegetable oil and crude oil prices, and easing copra prices on sequential improvement will aid gross margins. That's the word coming in from Marico. Good Q4 update and a big positive for Parachute as well as the food segment.
Okay, thank you so much for that, Snehi. Now, the other big story